Founded on sound financial foundations and the skills and abilities of its own people, we have an innovative, driven economy that, notwithstanding recent storms, continued to prosper. We managed to weather the storm. But that is not enough for us. And as we prepare to go into a new destination of new normality, it's time to be hands on deck again. In a world where change is a never-ending process, we need to rethink our economic models, which will serve as the fundamental pillars of our success in the future. Being proactive in a globalized world that is constantly changing is a must, and this is why we are here. We are launching this think tank to pave the way for a future-proof economy, a future where economic growth is achieved through a diversified economic portfolio, where the foundations of our economy are focused around knowledge, rather than accustomed solely on what we have today. A time where the pillars of today's economy are further enhanced by new industries, such as blockchain, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, quantum, cloud, big data, and high-performance computing. Together, we can build a digitalized economy. Let's work on a digital Malta.
Over the years, we've challenged the status quo and never shied away from change. Join us in making Malta a digital hub on the international stage. Malta is open for business. Be part of our project.